everybody, it's Bill Confidence. What I'm going to show you today is the ultimate best-selling side mirrors for UTVs. Now, this side mirror for your UTV is Fuel Rider by OxGord, which is a brand name product. First of all, I have to tell you one thing. I'm loving this retail packaging. This is going to be a great item for the holiday season. Not even holiday season, summer or all year long. Great thing is it comes with all the parts that you need. It comes with this, nice foam in the inside protecting it, which I like about that. That's actually really awesome. I want to make this video real quick. It comes with a full instructions. We're going to start off with these. This is the assembly, so you can tie this down to the bar when you're connecting it to one of these, which I'm going to demonstrate for you. But first I want to get to this, let you know that this thing goes anywhere from 1.6, okay, when it's at its max. Well, to be honest with you, you actually don't need the outside one. You're going to need maybe the inside one. If you want to go a little bit thinner, you can take out one layer. But this is basically to adjust the bar to make sure you're getting it nice and tight. If you need something bigger, you got a bigger bar, you're probably going to want to use this. The rubber is going to be good. You might want to use like a thinner rubber just so it just locks into place nicely and it doesn't like slide around. The same thing with this one for. So, I mean, if you feel like you don't need it, then I guess you don't need it. We got the pack of screws right here. We're gonna go ahead and open them up nice and secure. Not dingle around, nothing's gonna come broken. Great packaging, I actually really like this thing. Nice and shiny, good screws. So I'll give you a quick demonstration one more time. You got it on, you just take it and you just like, boom, slide it right over your bar. You got this into play. So now just imagine it's on your bar. You slip in the larger screw, okay? You take the washer, again, cut one on the bottom, the other washer on the top, slip it right in, and just start screwing in. You're gonna want to get like some Allen keys so you can actually get that into place nicely. Allen keys will get this job done. Allen keys are not included, but I do let you know one thing, that these things are awesome. They're the best breakaway mirrors that you're going to get. You're not gonna get a better breakaway mirror than this. One of the good features about this thing is pretty much it's gonna fit most of the UTVs that are available in the industry, but it may not fit some of the Polaris Rangers. You just wanna, double check, making sure about the size of the bar and stuff, because remember, like I told you, this fits anywhere from 1.6 all the way up to 2 inches. It's great. It's for the passenger side, the driver side. It's high impact ABS housing from A to Z throughout the entire thing. It's shatterproof tempered glass. It's got a great ball socket, so it sits right into place. And so, as I said, it's gonna be super flexible, easy to move. But if you just wanna tighten this, all you're gonna do is just literally you'll see that there's a socket, there's a spring down at the bottom. You wanna take like a wrench or something and just tighten it right down there and make it a little bit tighter, and it's gonna get more tight. Look at this sleek design in the back. I love this thing. It's the best thing for the ultimate viewing in all angles. This actual mirror, as you can see right here, it's 4.125 inches wide and it's 7.75 inches long all the way from here to here. So you can see it's pretty much, it's a massive hand. It's one of the best out there in the industry, like I said again. It includes all clamps, all the hardware, and it literally fits 1.58 as the minimum with the sockets in the middle going all the way up to 2-inch round tubings. So, like I said, Fuel Rider by OxGord, one of the best selling side mirrors out there in the industry. If you have any questions, feel free to ask us or visit us at www.oxgord.com.